Did you know many patients struggle to use healthcare websites because of poor accessibility? Many healthcare websites use text that is too small to read. Low color contrast makes medical information difficult to see. Complex navigation makes it hard for patients to find appointments or reports. In healthcare, accessibility is not optional. Patients rely on websites to book appointments, access reports, and understand treatment information. First rule, use readable typography. Healthcare websites should use clear fonts and larger text sizes so patients can easily read important information. Second rule, ensure strong color contrast. This helps elderly patients and users with visual impairments read the content clearly. Third rule, support keyboard navigation. Some users cannot use a mouse, so every button and form should be accessible using a keyboard. Accessible healthcare websites improve patient experience and make digital healthcare easier for everyone. At Fineart Design Agency, we create patient-friendly healthcare digital experiences. Follow us for more healthcare UX insights.